video, we're going to look at how you can use the stream in Google Classroom. So the first page that you go to is the stream. You can see the tab on the top there. And the stream is basically a very useful notice board for you to interact with your students. So when I first go to the stream, I can click on this little box here that says share something with my class or your class. And in here, I can post something for the students to read. So maybe we're doing something on soil sampling. So please bring the soil samples to next lesson. I'm going to attach a video to this as well. And I'm going to link to a website as well with it. So to add something to it, I just click on here, and obviously I can add from my Google Drive, or I can add a file, a PDF that I upload. But on this one, I'm going to link to a website first of all. And here I find a useful website, which is the Soil Society website. So I'm just going to copy that and post that into the link. And also I'm going to go and get a video on soil structure from YouTube. There we are, nice video on soil structure. I'm going to add that as well. So there's the work for the students to do. Now there's no assessment on here. The students will just watch the video and obviously bring the soil samples in and read through the website. So there is a level of trust on there as well. I'm not assessing them. I can send that out to just the students in the class, to everybody in the class. I can also send it out to different classes as well. So if I've got 2 parallel classes running, I can send it to that class as well. And I can also send it to all the students. Now, there's no students in this demo class, but if there was, they'd be listed down there now. So I can send it out to all students by ticking all students, or I can tick that off and then select individual students. And only the students that it is sent to will be able to see that post. For other students, that section will be completely blank. There'll be nothing there for them. So once I'm ready to send, I can post immediately, or I can schedule it for a later time. So for example, if I was doing this on a late Sunday night, I wouldn't want it to ping to the students' phones. So I would schedule it, and I can schedule it for a different day and also a time as well. So it's a suitable time. This one I'm going to just send and post to the students now. So there we are. That's gone to the students. I've set them a nice little piece of work to research. As I said, it's not an assignment, so I'm not going to assess them on it. So there is a level of trust in there that they're going to actually do it in the first place. But obviously I can do a little bit of Q&A with them when they come back to class, just to make sure they have done the work. Underneath this box, you'll see that the students can now comment and respond to that. So maybe they just want to let you know they watched the video, maybe they want to ask you something, and they can respond on there. So you've got straight away a bit of an interaction between yourself and the students. What the students can also do, the way Classroom Stream is initially set up, is that if they click on here, they will also get that box, so they can also post without responding to you. They don't get the ability to post to different classes. They don't get the ability to post for individual students. This is just a posting that goes out to the whole class. So they can post something on there, and again, they can add attachments as well, or a link to a YouTube video. So maybe you've asked them to find a YouTube video that's suitable, and they're posting on there the sort of ones they've found, or maybe a website that's useful as well. Okay, so they can post like that. Now, obviously, there may be issues depending on your students. So you as a teacher do have the ability to change how that front page can be used. If you go to the cog on the top right up here and scroll down, you'll see this section here that says Stream. Students can post and comment, which is how it's set up initially. If I click on that drop down, it says students can only comment. That means they can only respond to my posts. Or underneath that, only teachers can post and comment. So with the last one, there's no interaction. Basically, you post and they can then read or download whatever you posted on there. Now, when I was using this for teaching, what I did initially with my students was I would use the stream and I'd get them involved, ask them questions, where they go on holiday, what sort of hobbies they've got, different ideas like that. So I got them using the stream. And I made sure that if somebody posted something, I responded quite quickly after that. And what that did was it got into the students' minds the idea that basically in their heads, I lived on that website. Therefore, I was watching what they're doing all the time. So I didn't get students abusing it. I didn't get anybody messing about. Now, obviously, if you think you do, you can maybe switch the stream off for the students for them to post for a while and then maybe open it up and test it and try it. But you have total control over what's on there. Okay, so that's the stream. So that was useful. Thank you very much.